there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this 2 sales badges pack for After Effects. 4K resolution, colorful, modern, and useful text animation template. Fully customizable colors. First of all, I want to thank my subscribers. And I want to say, if you like the video, do share. This is RAR file. You can download, link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description, there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Okay. Now I'm extract here this file, open this folder. As you can see, there are 2 folder, font and sales badges. Fast open font folder. And install all fonts. Fonts install is done. Open sales badges folder. Then you can see there are 2 file, sales badges and titles and sales badges. This 2 both Adobe After Effects project file. You can use After Effects 2019 and above. So, I'm open After Effects. And drag and drop this 2 file on project panel. These 2 files will get other packs together. As you can see, there are final comp folder. Open this folder and see 1 logo and 10 scene sales badges. Each comp different project file. You will take a look at all of them. Now I'm open another folder. As you can see, there are 20 different title comp. I cannot show all. You will see every one by one. This sales badges pack for After Effects. Colorful, modern, and useful text animation template. I'm finishing here like today. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.